Welcome to our channel, How to Set Up Netgear Desktop Wi-Fi Range Extender. Setting up Netgear Desktop Wi-Fi Range Extender is an easy way to boost your Wi-Fi signal and eliminate network dead zones in your home or office. Follow this simple step-by-step tutorial to set up your Netgear Wi-Fi extender in just a few minutes and get it working. First of all, unbox your range extender and securely attach external antennas to it. Plug the extender into a power outlet in the same room as your Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green or amber, indicating the extender is ready for the initial setup. Now locate and press WPS button on your extender. It is either on the front or the rear panel of the device. Now press the WPS button on your router. If the extender's LED turns solid green, great! The 2.4 GHz connection is successful. If your router supports 5 GHz band also, repeat the WPS steps again to extend this band frequency. After the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to the desired location, i.e. midway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Plug the extender in the power outlet at the new location and power it on. Check router's LED for connection quality. If it shows green or amber LED, it indicates a good connection, while red indicates poor connection. Once you identify the ideal location for the extender, connect your device to the new extender's Wi-Fi network. Look for Wi-Fi names similar to your original network but ending in _EXT, 5G-EXT, or _2G-EXT. Use the same Wi-Fi password as your router to connect. If you still can't connect to the Wi-Fi network, move your device closer to the extender. To access advanced features, go to mywifi.ext.net, where you can manage settings like Wi-Fi coverage control, fast lane, access scheduling, and access point mode. Good work! Your Netgear Wi-Fi range extender is now set up and ready to expand wireless network coverage. Thank you for watching.